Did you know that size doesn't matter? Welcome to PROAV Africa. My name is Amito Esther, and today I'm going to be sharing about how size doesn't matter, especially when choosing a speaker. Here at PROAV Africa, we get so many requests for big speakers, and we actually had a pastor that once requested for a 25,000 watt speaker. And because we do not know of such a speaker, we assume that he wants a speaker that is 3 to 5 times louder than the speaker he has. As the world is evolving, our mobile phones and computers have become flatter and smaller, and so have speakers. So when you're looking out for speakers, do not mind about the size or the watts. Actually, the less the watts, the less amplification you need, and the less your electricity bill will be at the end of the month. Just like the power saver bulbs. Long ago, we had bulbs that were 100 watts, but right now we have 6-watt bulbs, and they produce the same or even better light. Light is measured in lumens, and sound is measured in decibels, which is SPL, that's sound pressure levels. And the more the SPL, the louder the speaker. TOA, the company we represent, provides the most efficient speakers when it comes to SPL versus power consumption. Another thing to look out for when choosing speakers is the frequency response and the impedance of the speaker. Here at PROAV Africa, we provide free consultation and designing of sound systems. And as the TOA slogan goes, we provide sound, not equipment. To find out more, visit our showroom in Bugolobi, Luthuli Avenue, Plot 84B. Thank you.